Three-pointer, CJ Ganya. He's been... Wow. He has 4 three-pointers in this one. And right now, Pampanga now with a 2-point lead. Natividad goes down to Completo. Takes it out, Natividad. 2 seconds. Misses. Rebound. Ends up with Lancer Khan. Lancer Khan pushing it. Losing control in the last second, and he gets fouled. Natividad gets fouled by Lancer Khan. And they're going to review this last play. Drives against Bragais. Had to hang. Oh, almost. Bragais now. Open court. Bragais. Oh, highlight play to Manalang with it behind the back. And that's a blaze 3 as Bragais makes it a 4-point lead. But look at that. Natividad counters back with a quick 2 to silence the crowd. Ooh, Bragais in the open floor, just exciting to watch. Manalang out to Bragais for 3. Yes, sir! Completo to Natividad. 3. Agustin gets a 3. Taguig just keeps answering. Manalang shoots a 3, steps back. It's a miss. Galoy gets a rebound. Chance for a blaze 3. Completo? No. Bragais again, open court, blaze 3 is good. Five-point game. Inside, tough pass, Completo, short. Battle for the rebound, Lancer Khan gets it. Coach Jeff Chan wants him to run. Bragais. What a pass inside to Santos for 2. Bragais, game changer here in the 4th quarter. 7-point lead for Pampanga. And the crowd has come alive here in Pampanga. And there's going to be a foul against Santos. Perfect time for a foul because we... 7-point game. Tanchoco back in the game along with Sampurna and Mayo. That's going to be a travel. Momentum right now on the side of Tikas Kapampangan. Manalang surveying the floor, gets it out to Khan. CJ Ganya has 4 3-pointers, almost 5. Natividad. Oh, it's a foul on Bragais. Yeah, they're going to challenge that last foul call. Going to take a look at this. With 8:13 to go here in the 4th quarter, Pampanga with all the momentum right now in the 7-point game.
Center, the challenge made by Tikas Kapampangan was successful. There was no foul on Jenmar Bragais against Natividad. Dan Natividad. Ball possession stays with Taguig Generals.
So no foul, but the ball will stay with Taguig. The fans here enjoying this ball game. Sampurna. Mayo shoots a 3. LJ Mayo quiets the crowd with a big booming three-pointer. Manalang gets the three back. Tikas Kapampangan has had the answer. Back to Mayo. Sila to Sampurna. Tansyoko, wide open three. Short arms it. Rebound. Gets saved. Manalang gets it. He's pushing with Bragais. Manalang all the way. No. Sampurna comes away with it. Mike Sampurna through traffic. No. Bragais again. In transition, they slow it down. Coach Jeff says to set things up here for Tikas Kapampangan. Bragais down the middle. Layup is good. He has just taken control of this fourth quarter. Taguig down by 9. Mayo in the post. There's going to be a foul against Ganya first.
Holding foul number 3. CJ Ganya is third foul.
Brabas in and out. Tikas Kapampangan can put on the pressure with a bucket here to make it a double-digit game. Manalang way downtown. Tansyoko secures it. Sampurna. Out to Mayo. Subraba steps in for that floater. No. Rebound goes to Santos. Under 6 minutes to go here in the fourth quarter, past the halfway point. Bragais surveying. Bragais for 3. Gets it to Lianco. Nobody there. And Taguig now in a world of trouble, down by 11. Mayo out to Subrabas. Offense drying up here for Taguig. Sampurna. And there's going to be a foul, a hard foul, as Sampurna's down on the floor. That looks to be okay. Sampurna with the drive. Oh, there's a second foul first. Might be a foul on Fragoso. He pushed there. There's a battle down low, so we're not too sure what the call will be here, but there's a review by our officials. Nothing surprises him anymore. Mayo against Santos to the corner. Mayo again. Tansyoko to the shooter. Coco Tansyoko short. Rebound by Santos. And right now, Tikas Kapampangan in control. CJ Ganya slowing things down. Lancer Khan out to Manalang. He's been on fire. No. Rebound to Isidro. They're going to use more time here. They have that luxury up 11. Ganya. That's going to be a big one for CJ Ganya. He has 5 or 6 3-pointers in this game. 2 here in the fourth. And CJ Ganya, his shooting has been on fire today. On time and on target. And Pampanga now up by 14. Our score is 95-81. That's Taguig. Time is not on their side now. Entering crunch time. And their offense, Tikas Kapampangan's defense has been on target right now here in the fourth. Galoy out, Sampurna. Everybody trying not to shoot here. Fragoso gets himself to the free throw line for 2 shots. Fragoso back at the free throw line.
Foul on number 9, Nicolas Santos is 4. And that is the 15th foul with Tigas Kapampangan. Shooting 2, Noy Fragoso.
First one doesn't fall for Fragoso. Second free throw for Fragoso. These are important free throws if Taguig wants to stay in this game. Makes a second one. Manalang bring the ball down. Ganya to Isidro. Lancercon driving. Lancercon. Oh, look at that floater. Everything but the shot. Galoy gets it to Subrabas. Mayo shoots a 3. Missing. Isidro sees it to Khan. Tigas Kapampangan, they're in good position here. You can see, oh, Jeff's telling Manala to use a bit of time here. Lancer Khan. Ball screen by Ganya. Manalang for 3. Short, Isidro saves it to Santos. Wow, these hustle plays doing huge dividends for Pampanga. Santos for 3. This time Galoy gets it up to Subrabas. Again, Taguig, they don't have the luxury of waiting to score here. Time running out for them. Inside to Fragoso. Fragoso gets that one to roll out. Manalang using time, and Pampanga right now in very good position to win this ball game. Here's going to be a travel by Nico Santos. And Jenmar Bragay is coming back into the game for Isidro.
For Rico Santos.
$95-82. Taguig. Mayo up top, no. Rebound goes to Manalang. Turnover. Galoy gets it. Sampurna gets it to go. That's a blaze 3 to go in this game. Bragais gets it to Lancercon. Bragais for 3. Bragais! That might be the bomb to finish this one. There's a 13-point advantage right now for Tigas Kapampangan. Might be too big to overcome for Taguig. And Galoy missing on the 3. And Lancercon will use time here wisely. They go back to Jenmar Bragais. Bragais against Mayo. They go to Liaco. Extra pass. Ganya one more time. He has 6 triples in this ball game. And Taguig is forced to use a timeout. But this game might belong to the Pampanga squad here. Tigas Kapampangan. Completo coming in for LJ Mayo.
14 to shoot.
Gabiran gets it to Galoy. Go to Pragoso in the post. Cross-court pass. Sampurna thought about it. He's against Ganya. Mike Sampurna loses it. Lancer Khan takes it away. Khan, he gets fouled by Completo. He will shoot two. Fans of Tikas Kapampangan feeling the victory right now, as this score might be just out of reach for Taguig.
Shooting two, Lancer Khan.
First free throw goes in for Lancer Khan. Lancer Khan 2 out of 2, 18-point ball game as Pampanga is running away with this now. Under a minute to go here in the fourth quarter. Sampurna goes to Completo. Completo shoots a mid-range jumper, and Taguig has gone cold here in the fourth quarter. Pragoso gets fouled by Lianco, and he will shoot two.
Foul on number 10, Jenmar Bermaguez is first. Shooting two, Noy Pragoso.
Pragoso has been struggling at the free throw line, but gets that one to fall.
Derek Lucido coming in for Jenmar Bermaguez.
Jenmar Bragaez gets a much-deserved rest here as he heads to the bench of Tikas Kapampangan. As Tikas will just use as much time as they can here, as this game is just about done. What a showing here for Tikas Kapampangan in the fourth quarter. Just an amazing display of offense. Shooting from the outside, Lancer Khan travels on that last play. 35 seconds to go. Galoy bringing the ball down against Khan. Sampurna. Drive, Sampurna. Oh, what a move. Mike Sampurna gets the basket. Plus the end one, so he will go to the free throw line for one shot to get things closer here for Taguig. The home team looking like they're again in peak form here late into this conference. As Sampurna completes a three-point play. Lancer Khan will just dribble this one out. Coach Jeff has just signaled to not shoot this one. As Pampanga, Tikas Kapampangan will win this one and top the Group A standings. On Group B, the Taguig Generals will still be the top of Group B, but these two teams will not be facing each other in the semifinals. As Pampanga will be facing off against Zamboanga, and Taguig will be facing off against Camsur in what is sure to be an exciting semifinal series between these teams. But what a ball game here in Pampanga at the Pampanga State University Gymnasium. A great game. Everybody enjoyed here. The home crowd treated to a victory by their home team, Tikas Kapampangan. And our best player of the game is Jenmar Bragaez, who not only brought on the production, but also the highlights here at the Pampanga State University Gym. As right now, Jenmar Bagais is our Glutamax best player of the ball game. This one, an exciting matchup